Howdy everybody, I'm going to show you how to take a picture of something on your Chromebook and then load it up to Google Docs or Google Slides. Start off making a little slideshow as well. Alright, I'm going to take a picture of this thing on the Chromebook. The Chromebook uses a camera that's right there. If you want to get a good picture of something, you can always put a blank piece of paper behind what you're taking a picture of. It's just kind of weird, and I won't be able to do it. Otherwise, you won't be able to see what I'm doing here. So, just as the basic idea of how this works, you're going to go down to this little button down here in the corner. Click it. Some of you might have used a camera before, so it'll pop up right away. If it's not in this tray here, click this little arrow, and it's going to come up, and there's going to be a camera down there. Click camera. Whoa. There you go. You can see me taking a video of myself. Pretty deep and complicated stuff. Anyway, I'm going to bring up my beautiful rocket here. Take a picture of this rocket. Hold it up to this camera. Remember, it's this camera right there. Hold it up and click take a picture. Boom. Alright. I now have a picture. That picture is going to be found down here in this corner. Alright, go to gallery. Click that button. Alright, I've got a picture of my rocket. From here, we can go to save to disk. Okay. On this page on the gallery, click save to disk. It's right down here in the corner. And instead of downloading it to the computer, I want you to download it to your drive. Okay. So you're going to click my drive. There's going to be a lot of different folders in here. For you guys, since you're going to be taking a lot of pictures in this class, I want you to click new folder. Just this first time. This new folder you're going to call pictures. Alright. Click open to open that. Now it should be saved. Alrighty. So what we can do is we can look for that. Close this down. Open a new tab. I'm going to go to Drive. So you click on these little bitty buttons up here. Go to Drive. Inside of your drive, you should be able to see all the files that you've worked on. We have a file called Pictures. Double click that file. Didn't save. Alright, let's go back to our camera. Maybe it just made the folder and didn't save the picture. Once again, little bottom button down here. Go to the camera. Let's do one more. Make sure it's a little bit different this time. I'm going to click the button on the bottom right there. Boom. Take a picture. I'm going to go to my gallery. We've got two of them. Alright, I'm going to save to disk. Go to my drive, go to pictures. Alright. Should be there now. Alrighty. Boom. Look at it. There it is, right inside of my drive. I got a picture of my small rocket. Now it's there. What you can do, we checked to make sure it's there. You can open up a new tab. On this new tab, click the little apps. You're going to go to Google Slides. You can start a blank one. You can start one with all these different weird things on them. I'm just going to start off with a blank one because it'll be easier for me to see. Okay. So once everything loads up, you can click right up here to change your title. Let's go ahead and call it Straw Rockets. Okay. You can name it whatever you want. My Straw Rockets. Mr. Right. All right. When you click on these little areas, it allows you to type in them. If you need to make a new page, this is just my title page. You can change the themes over here to make them look prettier. I can keep it like this for myself. From here, what you can do is you can insert pictures, text box, videos, all sorts of different things, charts. Okay. This little plus symbol right here is click it, and it makes you a new slide. If you're over here, click the plus, new slide. In here, I'm going to talk about rocket number 1. You can write some text about it. What I would recommend doing is making the text box. So if you click on the text box, you can slide it over a little bit, like this, so that it takes up less space. Then from there, what I'd recommend doing is clicking Insert, go to Image, go to your drive. Inside of your drive, it'll have the recent things you've added to it. If it's not a recent thing, you can go to My Drive, go to Photos, and find it from there. But it should just be right here. If it's the last thing you did, boom, pull it right up. Now I've got a picture of that. And then you can type in, remember you need to type in a whole sentence about your rocket and how it flew. My small, oops, it's hard for me to see past my camera. My small rocket flew okay, but, comma, but not that well, because it was so little, it did not hold as much air. All right. The basic idea, you're going to then add another slide, do rocket number 2. Remember to change the text box size, make it the right size. You can put it on the left or right, it's up to you. You're also going to need to upload a picture of your draft. You're also going to need to upload your data. There's all kinds of good things that are going to go onto this thing. And we'll talk about that more later. Thank you very much, guys.